Watch out. So I decided I'm gonna paint them rims up of this and put them rims on here. And we'll go from there. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the whole frame or not, but figured since I'm gonna put tubes in there and good tires, might as well paint the rims. So we took a trip to Lowe's to buy basically the main beams. And then we came home, split this trailer apart, greased it up really good inside there so it could pivot, and then started getting ready for the beams right here. Cut those on the ends so they're all set.
It's fine.
What is this stuff, Rev? Dirty?
These are oak boards that we milled up ourselves, and
they'll work great for on the deck. It was fun cutting those up years ago, finally using them. Welded up this steel beam because it was 2 separate pieces, and we're gonna put that on the edge here, and we're just grinding it off there. Coats. A little bit of stain on there. It's free though. Anytime you can get something free, that's good. I want to do a special shout out to Steve. Thanks for commenting in almost all my videos. Really appreciate it, buddy. And if anyone else is interested, please subscribe. It really helps me out, and we really appreciate everyone's support. Oh, and don't forget to smash the like button. Thanks for watching Life Practical.